I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your Windows 11 version and where you want emojis to appear. Make sure you have a physical keyboard or the touch keyboard available because you'll use a shortcut. Once ready, position the cursor in the text field of the target app so Windows knows where to paste the emoji. Now press the Windows key plus period to open the emoji panel. This is the first actionable step that immediately triggers the picker and shows categories and suggestions. Once the panel is open, you'll navigate it quickly with either keyboard or mouse. Use arrow keys to move through emoji and tab to jump between categories, or simply click a category with your mouse. This speeds selection when you have a lot of options. Make sure to try the search box by typing a keyword such as smile or heart, because search finds emoji, K-emoji, and symbols. If needed, switch tabs for GIF or clipboard items. Insert by pressing Enter or clicking the desired. To finish, close the panel with Escape or press Windows plus period again after you've inserted the emoji. Make sure the emoji pasted correctly. Some plain text fields or legacy console apps won't accept rich emoji characters. If nothing happens when you open the panel, confirm the shortcut isn't remapped, restart Explorer, or toggle the touch keyboard settings. Finally, if problems persist, reboot your PC and check for Windows updates, because driver or system updates often resolve keyboard and panel issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.